Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for tequila marinated steak. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we're going to take a non-metallic bowl, and to that we're going to add some olive oil. Then the star of the show, some tequila. Some orange juice, some lime juice, crushed garlic, chili powder, some cumin, some oregano, and season with some salt and pepper. Give that a quick stir around, and then we're going to add the steaks. So just pop the steaks in, make sure that they're fully coated in the marinade on both sides. Pop a lid on the dish, leave them to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, but preferably overnight if you can. Now that our steaks are marinated, these can be done in the barbecue, but I'm just going to do them on the indoor griddle. Get the griddle screaming hot, and then we're going to add some oil to it. We take our steaks, we set them on the griddle. So we cook our steaks for 2 minutes on one side, then we turn them over. Now we're going to take the marinade and we're going to brush some more marinade over the top of them. Again, cook them for a further 2 minutes, turn them over again, and add some more marinade. So now that our steaks are fully cooked to our liking, we're going to remove them, set them to a plate, and let them rest for about 10 minutes just until the juices go back into them. So I've just served mine with a homemade corn salad and some roasted garlic potatoes. Now, if you've enjoyed this video for tequila steak, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.